Hi everyone, it's Miss K. I'm going to show you how to access the support materials for the response paper assignment for HUM 1900. Click on the Content tab and then find your way to a weekly module. You'll see the tabs here laid out, and we're going to focus on the support materials tab. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to navigate down to the response paper support materials, starting with the tips and expectations for the assignment. Please read the following information to prepare for the assignment. Students should meet the expectations of the response paper assignment published below. And there is a detailed overview of exactly what I'm looking for in this really, really important critical writing assignment. AI is still an emerging tool in the classroom. In my class, I do not allow students to use generative AI. I want you to write your paper first and foremost on your own. And if you're using Grammarly or Quillbot to correct your grammar on a paper that you've already authored, that's fine. But please keep in mind that I am given a AI content report through Turnitin.com. And if your report shows more than 50% AI generated content, I am going to ask you to disclose exactly how you used AI and which programs you used to write your paper. Understand that as the instructor, I will determine on a case-by-case basis whether or not your paper can be graded. If your paper does not directly address one of the two assigned response questions for the week, or if it is exceedingly vague, I can reject it or ask you to rewrite your paper. So please keep that in mind when you sit down to author your paper for the week. There are 10 tips. And then below, some helpful information. Access to Microsoft Office. This is the easiest way for students to access Word, to save your document as a Word document or a PDF so that you can submit it on D2L. There's an MLA guide, which is an external link that will help you with formatting your paper properly. I have all of the response questions for the entire semester here in a PDF format. All of the areas here that are highlighted in blue will open as an external link. So be sure to have pop-ups enabled on your device. And this is formatted for you to access on a computer, not on a tablet or a phone, to get the full experience and to have it open and be formatted properly. There is an instructional video about writing about film critically. And then from week to week, periodically, there will be support instructional videos that help you with formatting the introduction for your paper. This external link helps you to refine your writing. It goes over what a thesis is, what it should contain, and how to set up a conclusion paragraph. It's really important from week to week that you visit this area so that you can get a really strong understanding of what's expected from your response paper assignment. As your instructor, when I am reading and assessing your paper, I am using a rubric to give you a dimension as to how successful you were in drafting and authoring that paper. And then finally, points. This response paper assignment is worth 2 points, and then I will deduct points from there based on whether or not you're following these expectations for the assignment. Really quickly, before I conclude this brief tutorial, I'll click on the table of contents. And you'll see then in every single weekly module that we have a response paper assignment, these support materials will live in the exact same place and will be laid out in the exact same order. The tips and expectations, my AI policy, access to Microsoft Office, an MLA guide, access to all of the assigned response questions for the week, instructional videos when applicable, and then how to refine your writing. I hope that this information has been helpful. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have a wonderful day.